Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So please check the description box below and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 6, Chapter 5, अक्षरों का महत्व. Akshar means letters, that is R, E, E, A, B, C, D, all the letters in the that we use today. So aksharon ka mahatva. Mahatva means importance. So importance of letters. अक्षरों की कहानी, the story of letters. यह पुस्तक अक्षरों से बनी है. This book is made of letters. सारी पुस्तकें अक्षरों से बनी हैं. All the books are made of letters. तरह तरह की पुस्तकें, variety of books, different type of books. तरह तरह के अक्षर, different types of letters. दुनिया में अब तक करोड़ों पुस्तकें छप चुकी है. Till date, millions of books have been published in the world. हजारों पुस्तकें रोज छपती है. रोज means daily. हजारों पुस्तकें मीन्स thousands of books are published every day. तरह तरह के अक्षरों में हजारों की तादाद में, हजारों की तादाद मीन्स नंबर्स और काउंट में रोज़ ही समाचार पत्र छपते हैं. सो thousands of letters are printed daily in different types of newspapers. समाचार पत्र मीन्स न्यूज़पेपर. छपते हैं मीन्स आर प्रिंटेड. इन सब के मूल में है अक्षर. सो मूल मीन्स द रूट. सो द लेटर्स आर द रूट फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस. हम कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते. कल्पना मीन्स इमेजिन. हम कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते कि यदि आदमी अक्षरों को न जानता तो आज इस दुनिया का क्या हाल होता. सो we cannot even imagine that if man did not knew about the letters, what would be the condition of the world today. हाल होता means condition. कोई कह सकता है कि हम अक्षरों की अनादि काल से जानते थे. So one might say that we knew about these letters from ancient times. अनादि means ancient times, that even we don't remember or know. अक्षरों का ज्ञान हमें किसी ईश्वर से मिला है. So we have got the knowledge of letters from some god because it was there from the ancient times. पुराने ज़माने के लोग सचमुच ही सोचते थे कि अक्षरों की खोज ईश्वर ने की है. So the people who lived in ancient times really thought that the letters were discovered by God himself. पर आज हम जानते हैं कि अक्षरों की खोज किसी ईश्वर ने नहीं बल्कि स्वयं आदमी ने की है. बट टुडे वी नो दैट द डिस्कवरी ऑफ लेटर्स वॉज नॉट डन बाय गॉड बट द मैन हिमसेल्फ डिड इट. अब तो हम यह भी जानते हैं कि किन अक्षरों की खोज किस देश में किस समय हुई थी. सो नाउ वी ऑल्सो नो दैट like which letters were discovered in which country at what time. We know all the details about it. हमारी यह धरती लगभग 5 अरब साल पुरानी है. सो आवर वर्थ इज़ अबाउट 5 बिलियन ईयर्स ओल्ड नाउ. 2-3 अरब साल मीन्स बिलियंस इन बिलियंस. 2-3 अरब साल तक इस धरती पर किसी प्रकार के जीव जंतु नहीं थे. सो फॉर लाइक 2 to 3 billion years there were not at all any animals on this earth. So the earth was just living or just existing without no animals, no birds, no living beings, nothing. फिर करोड़ों साल तक केवल जानवरों और वनस्पतियों का ही इस धरती पर राज रहा. वनस्पति मीन्स like vegetation, like plants and trees. Okay, so फिर करोड़ों साल तक. Then after that for million of years only animals and this vegetation, that is plants and trees, were ruling the earth. राज्य रहा means they were ruling the earth. आदमी ने इस धरती पर कोई 5 लाख साल पहले जन्म लिया. and man was born on this earth only like 5 million years ago. So till that only the animals and plants were ruling the earth. धीरे धीरे उसका विकास हुआ. So it slowly it developed. Who developed? Man developed. विकास means development. कोई 10,000 साल पहले आदमी ने गांवों को बसाना शुरू किया. So some 10,000 years ago from now, man started to settle in villages. गांव means villages, बसाना means settle. वह खेती करने लगा. So he started farming. वह पत्थरों के औजारों का इस्तेमाल करता था. औजारों मीन्स वेपन और टूल्स. ही यूज्ड टूल्स मेड ऑफ स्टोन्स. फिर उसने तांबे और कांसे की भी औजार बनाए. देन ही ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड मेकिंग टूल्स ऑफ कॉपर एंड ब्रॉन्ज. प्रागैतिहासिक मानव ने सबसे पहले चित्रों के जरिए अपने भाव व्यक्त किए. Early man first expressed their emotions through pictures because they didn't know the letters A, B, C, D like that, so they couldn't write. So what they did, they tried to describe or to show their feelings or emotions or whatever they want to say with pictures. जैसे पशुओं, पक्षियाँ, आदमियों आदि के चित्र. So they started with the pictures of animals, birds, men, etc. इस चित्र संकेतों से बाद में भाव संकेत अस्तित्व में आए. सो विद दिस पिक्चर्स लाइक लेटर दिस पिक्चर साइंस केम इनटू एक्सिस्टेंस. पिक्चर साइंस मीन्स भाव संकेत अस्तित्व में आए. भाव संकेत मीन्स द signs we could depict for the like for one sign is like depicting the same meaning all the time. So like that sign pictures came into existence. जैसे एक छोटे वृत्त मीन्स सर्कल, एक छोटे वृत्त के चेहू ओर मीन्स अराउंड इट किरणों की घोतक रेखाएं खींचने पर वह सूर्य का चित्र बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन लाइन ऑफ रेज आर ड्रॉन अराउंड अ स्मॉल सर्कल इट डिपिक्ट्स सन. Even in our childhood days we have drawn sun with like one circle we'll draw and around it we will draw rays all around. So it depicts sun. So like that, like picture science came into existence so that even every people will understand, oh this means it's a sun. So that for that they started bringing picture science to their language. बाद में यही चित्र ताप या धूप का घोतक बन गया. घोतक means meaning. So later this picture became the sign of heat और sunshine. इस तरह अनेक भाव संकेत अस्तित्व में आए. So in this way many signs and symbols came into existence. तब जाकर काफ़ी बाद में आदमी ने अक्षरों की खोज की. So then later after some time the letters were discovered by man. अक्षरों की खोज के सिलसिले को शुरू हुए मुश्किल से 6,000 साल हुए हैं. So it's been only 6,000 years since the letters were used or discovered. केवल 6,000 साल, only 6,000 years. अक्षरों की खोज के साथ एक नए युग की शुरुआत हुई. So when with the discovery of letters a new era started. आदमी अपने विचार और अपने हिसाब किताब को लिख कर रखने लगा. हिसाब किताब मीन्स देयर अकाउंट्स. सो द मैन बिगैन टू राइट डाउन हिज थॉट्स एंड हिज अकाउंट्स. तब से मानव को सभ्य कहा जाने लगा. सभ्य मीन्स civilized people or civil. So since then humans were called civilized. आदमी ने जब से लिखना शुरू किया तब से इतिहास आरंभ हुआ. So when since the man started writing then only the history began, because till that we didn't know what the history was, but when the man started writing about it, from there our history started. किसी भी कौम या देश का इतिहास तब से शुरू होता है जब से आदमी के लिखे हुए लेख मिलने लग जाते हैं। The history of any community or country begins when the articles written by someone at that time begin to be found. Then only we know, oh, those people used to live like this, or they used to survive like this. So from when the articles written by someone at those times are found, then only what we can get to know the history of that community or that country. इस प्रकार इतिहास को शुरू हुए मुश्किल से 6000 साल हुए हैं. सो दैट इज वाई दस इट्स barely 6000 years the history is started. उसके पहले के काल को प्रागैतिहासिक काल यानी इतिहास के पहले का काल कहते हैं. So the period before that, or the earlier period before the history was there, it is called prehistoric period, or the time before the history. अतः हम देखते हैं कि यदि आदमी अक्षरों की खोज नहीं करता तो आज हम इतिहास को ना जान पाते. Therefore, we know that if the man did not search for letters, we wouldn't have known our history today. Because they would have just lived, they wouldn't have noted down what and all happened, then we wouldn't have known the history today. हम यह न जान पाते कि पिछले कुछ हजार सालों में आदमी किस प्रकार रहता था. So we wouldn't have known how the man lived or survived in the last 1000 years. क्या क्या सोचता था, what and all he used to think, कौन कौन राजा हुए इत्यादि, who and all who became the king etc. We wouldn't have known if no one had written the history down at that time. अक्षरों की खोज मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी खोज है. The search of the letters is the greatest discovery of man. अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद ही मनुष्य अपने विचारों को लिखकर रखने लगा. Only after the search of letters, man started writing his thoughts. इस प्रकार एक पीढ़ी के ज्ञान का इस्तेमाल दूसरी पीढ़ी करने लगी. पीढ़ी means generation. So thus the knowledge of one generation began to be used by another generation. अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद पिछले 6000 सालों में मानव जाति का तेजी से विकास हुआ. So mankind developed rapidly in the last 6000 years after the search of letters. यह महत्व है अक्षरों का और उनसे बनी हुई लिपियों का. So this is the importance of letters and the scripts that were made out of them. अतः हम सबको अक्षरों की कहानी मालूम होनी चाहिए. Therefore, we all should know the story of the letters. आज जिन अक्षरों को हम पढ़ते या लिखते हैं वे कब बनाए गए, कहाँ बने और किसने बनाए, यह जानना ज़रूरी है. So it's important for us to know that the letters that we read or write today, when and where they were made and who made them. Because our world is developing because of the search of these letters, and we know our history because of these letters. So I hope you understood the meaning. Now let's just revise what and all happened. So first, the writer is telling this book is made of letters. All the books in the world are made of letters, and there are thousands and thousands of letters being printed daily in all the newspapers, books, everywhere we find letters nowadays. Okay, so he's thinking that what will we do without letters? We wouldn't have known our history, we wouldn't have known anything, we couldn't communicate with each other. So the letters were very important to us. So first, the early man believed that the letters were found by God, because they didn't knew what happened before. So they thought God have taught their ancestors letters, and now they are learning from their ancestors. But really what happened? Really the man himself created the letters, and even now we know when and where the letters were created by whom. Then he is telling our earth is like our earth is 5 our earth is like 5 billion years old, and before that no animals and no vegetation was there for 2 to 3 billion years. Then after that slowly animals and trees started blossoming, and they ruled our earth for million of years. Only 5 million years ago the man was formed or man was born. After that what happened? The man started developing our earth. And what happened? He started farming, he started making weapons, he started with stones, then he created with copper, bronze, everything. Then what happened? Then man wanted to communicate to each other. So what they did? They started drawing with pictures. They started to communicate with pictures, and to depict their emotions they started drawing. So first they started with symbols like sun, moon, animals, plants, like that. First they started with symbols, then later like 6,000 years ago from now the letters were found. Then the humankind became very civilized, they were called civilized, and they started writing. History began, we could know who ruled our country, who did this, who did that, everything we got to know because of the search of the letters. Because the letters were found, everything was written, and everything we could know that like 1,000 years ago this and all happened, because they found the letters and they started writing it. So the writer is telling how like the search for the letters was a very great discovery, because because without that we couldn't even survive, we couldn't even know what happened in our earlier in the early period of time. So he is also telling that we should know how the story of letters began, and the letters that we read or write today, when and where they were made and who made them. So we should have that knowledge, because our mankind developed rapidly because of the search of letters. So that's all. This chapter, this story is written by Gunakar Mule. So I hope you understood the chapter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.